Howdy everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do the same for the groups, just like we are showing or suggesting pages to users, we are going to suggest groups to the users as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the home livewire component, and here we have the follow method. So I'm gonna just like this, I'm gonna like add the um, join option, like we can join a group. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, we have the suggested pages section, and here we have the apply member. I think that is right here. We are going to like add button just like this to this as well, and we are going to remove these user from here. So I'm gonna remove all of them, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the this button, that is like, so I'm going to change this to definitely like changes to join button, but we're going to be having that we have the same style. So I'm gonna remove this, and now we have the styling for that. So what I'm going to do is load maybe like 2 or 3 groups and loop through that and display them right here. So we have the loop right here, right? So we are going to be doing the same thing, and just like the pages, this is going to be pointing toward the uh, page we have like the groups. So I'm gonna pass groups. We have the route name with this, and this is gonna be like pointing toward that, and after that we are going to start the loop. So I'm gonna use for each, or for else, if we don't have any, then show option like show. So let's say suggested underscore groups, and as let's say dollar group. Now here will go all the groups that we want to show to the users, and I think this is gonna be right here. And after that we are going to have the no page or no group bound button, and I'm gonna change the name to like page to group. Now instead of like page, we will be have like join or join. Yeah, join is gonna be fine. And here we will have the group thumbnail. So I'm gonna load that. We have to use the storage asset, we have used that right here. So I'm gonna just copy that, and the thumbnail variable is pretty much the same. So I'm gonna paste it, I remove these, and this is it. Now we have some error. Yeah, remove this. Now we have the name, right? So we're gonna use like display the name of the group. So I'm gonna change this to group. This is also gonna be changed to group, and group of thumbnail. A group is the variable right here, and um, I think this is it. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Another thing is like here we have the wire click follow. So this is gonna be changed to join, and we have the code for that in the groups livewire component. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that from here, everything, and go to the home livewire component, and after follow I'm gonna paste that. So now I'm gonna import the members, then everything is gonna be pretty much the same. After like this operation is done, I'm gonna redirect user to that specific group, because just like we did in this section, um, I think we did that right here, right? Like if you join a group, you will be redirected to that. I think that is also not required, by the way. Like I just want to join multiple groups, and I don't want to visit any of them. So that is where we can, like, this is gonna help. So everything is gonna be pretty much the same. Now we have to load. So now in order to load those, we have to like just like suggest pages, we have to load the suggested groups, and this is gonna be groups. And as you can see here, we have my pages, right? So like not loading the groups that I already have joined. So I'm gonna create variable with my groups, tag 3, let's say 2 for now. 2 is also fine. Add a comma here, and now I'm gonna duplicate this, change the variable name, and change the we have the group members, right? I'm gonna import that. User ID is auth ID and get the group ID, not the page ID. Yeah, a group ID. Group ID. I can confirm that by visiting that specific model. If I go there, we have the group ID as you can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead and refresh because it's gonna work now. So let's see if we are able to view the things. We got an error saying we are not in does not exist. Wait a minute. We are not in and groups. Um, I think this is a group. Not like always the model names are going to be singular. Now again the same issue. Uh, let's import this. It does shows the line number, right? No, it does not. So I'm gonna save that. Hot reload the page. Yeah, that is solved. Maybe we haven't like saved the page in the ID. So now let's see if we have the ability to list the groups. Yeah, we have group 1, then group 2. I can join it. I can see the notification, and that is what we want. So now that is pretty interesting. Also, we have to show the title, like the name. Like if I hover over this, yeah, it does shows the name, so that is interesting. Yeah, that is it.